So now we're going to look at an assignment, practice assignment 4. And in practice assignment 4, from the student point of view, we want to download and print and then work on this, what we printed out, and send it back in. So when we look at the PDF, we see that in this exercise you start with a bit of a drawing and then you add to it. So that's what we're going to do. And so we would print that out. So let's assume that the student has printed it out. And now I've made a drawing and I'm going to add or create. Okay, so I have to add or create. And so I'm going to upload a file. So I took a picture of the work that I did. I'm going to select file from device, so parents could do this at home. And so here's the picture. Okay, and I'm going to upload that. Okay, and now I'm going to turn it in. So I'm going to turn in that thing. So ask me if I want to turn it in. It says yes. Okay, so we've got that turned in. All right, and let's just take a look at what we did here. So on this assignment, what you do, so I took that basic thing and added to it. So we call that a doodle in the class. And that's an assignment we could maybe consider for our art class.